All right, thank you for stopping by. Here is DBA TV, and my name is Dele Ayemibo. Today we will be discussing a very important topic, and the topic we are discussing today is very important. It's a big challenge, I must say, and I think it's good to educate some of our listeners on the issue of concealment. Concealment. You know, when you are doing exports, it's very important you understand the fact that you are not just doing it for yourself, you are actually representing Nigeria. By the way, if you are just seeing a video for the first time, please feel free to like the video, subscribe to the channel, share with your friends who might be interested in export business, and of course, drop your comment in the comment section. That's very important to us, so we can also give feedback. There's a video we did yesterday on price verification. It was actually due based on the question that someone asked in one of the videos we did in the past. So we are very much eager to respond to your questions by doing a video that will help us do that response. Now, I want to talk about on the issue of concealment today. Please avoid concealment when you are exporting. Avoid concealment when you are exporting. It's very important you avoid concealment when you are exporting. You know, the challenge today is that many people sometimes don't even understand the implication of their actions. What do I mean? Concealing products and not declaring them in export can have a serious legal, financial, and reputational consequence. This is actually more like smuggling, actually, or what some people call black market trade, because it involves under-reporting what you are actually shipping. It involves intentionally misrepresenting the nature and the quantity and the value of the item you are exporting. In fact, some people actually use this for money laundering, and that's what makes it more dangerous. It makes it more dangerous because people are shipping, they are moving value across from one country to the other, and they're not declaring what they are shipping. And sincerely, that's tantamount to money laundering. It can be seen as money laundering, like laundering money. You want to move the goods and sell it, and you don't want to bring the money back because you don't want people to even know that you have such money. Now, what are the consequences of this? Because it appears like many people are now aware. So you see people want to ship product abroad. They will ship a product that is not allowed in that country. Sometimes, you know, I saw a particular WhatsApp, what even led to this conversation was a WhatsApp message. I'm trying to see if I can get that one WhatsApp message now. And it said, the person was really lamenting that people are concealing all sort of products, including alomobitas. Alomobitas. Some people will put beer. Different products that in that country they are not allowed. And the person that wrote this message was lamenting that now in the UK, Nigerian products are subject to 100% examination because of concealment of undeclared products, which is the main reason for that inspection. What that would do is, it will cause delay for you. It will cause delay for you. It will make you to incur demurrage, and they might eventually destroy the goods. Let me show you some of the consequences of concealment. So you are shipping product A, B, C, D, but you also have E, F inside in large quantity, not as sample, in large quantity, but concealed. There are legal consequences for it. Concealing product can portray a violation of law of the country in which, because if it's prohibited, bringing it in may attract criminal charges, may attract fines, may attract penalty for both the individual and business involved in the transaction. Because some countries see it as smuggling. And I think sometimes some people are not aware of the consequences of concealing product in export transaction. Consequences of concealing product in export transaction. You can lose trade privileges. And you know the interesting thing? It might not just be you, the exporter, who conceal. It might also be your country, like the case being reported about UK now. They are doing 100% examination for examination from Nigeria. Because, look, when you are shipping from a country, you are representing that country. Engaging in unlawful export practices can result in revocation of trade privileges, such as if you have a preferential tariff rate or participation in free trade agreement, they can revoke it. They can revoke it. So you can lose trade privileges. In fact, reputation damage for your country. Reputational damage for your country. Not just your business. Your country. Your country. Which is what is affecting us now. You know, there was a time that some shipments were done. I think it was to Mexico, hibiscus. And I think one or two of the shipments have some pests in the container. And they stopped shipment of hibiscus from Nigeria. Reputational damage. Being caught in concealing products in export transaction can severely damage a business reputation and the country reputation. Like the case of hibiscus I told you about, it damaged Nigeria reputation. There are other businesses exporting the same product to that country, but they don't have issue with that pest. But all of them were affected because a few or maybe an individual shipped low quality product with pests inside. This can erode trust among customers, among partners, among stakeholders. It can even lead to loss of credibility and loss of potential business relationship. In fact, concealing product might seem like a way to reduce costs and avoid duties and taxes, but it can backfire. If it discovered, businesses can face substantial fine and penalty that far exceed what you could have made in the first place. What you could have made in the first place. Concealing. And some people, when they conceal, they want to avoid taxes. Some, when they conceal, they want to bypass the law that prohibits that item, which is now a criminal offense. Concealing involves shipping product to a country and not declaring that product in your document. So you are shipping product, and I'm not talking about, you know, that some cases you just put samples, maybe 2, 3, 4, 5 cartons. I'm talking about when about 10, 20%, 30%, 40%, even 50% of the shipment is this particular item. And the item is of a commercial quantity, but it is not declared. It can backfire on you. But more importantly, on your country. On your country. In fact, it could result in custom seizure of the goods. Custom can strip the goods. Remember, I talked about financial loss, but custom can strip the goods. Custom authority have the right to seize the goods that are unlawful concealed and misdeclared. This can result in a complete loss of the product, as well as additional legal and financial consequences. In fact, in some cases, they can blacklist your business or blacklist your country. They can blacklist your business or blacklist your country. Businesses that are found guilty of concealment of product in export transaction can be blacklisted by custom authority. This means that the future shipment might face increased scrutiny. That is exactly what is happening to Nigerian product in the UK that someone complained about on that platform. The fact that now there is more scrutiny for product from Nigeria. Why? Because some people are concealing. They are bringing in products that are prohibited or that have high duty. And when discovered, they are blacklisted. What I'm saying is not just them, their country. Their country. It can cause market access restriction. Some countries may impose trade sanctions on the business that have an history of engaging in that illegal export activity. Sometimes there could be civil or criminal charge against such business. And of course, it can lead to deterioration of business relationships. So, guys, ladies and gentlemen, avoid concealment. The implication, the far-reaching implication of concealment might be far more than the benefit you want to gain by doing that in the first place. I hope these have helped someone today. I hope this video has been of help to you. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Share with your friends who might be interested in this who are into export. Also, drop your comment if this video resonates with you. Drop your comment in the comment section. Also, remember to click on notification bell so you know when we come up again with another video. My name remains Dela Yimibo, and I am an export doctor. I'm signing out. All right, bye-bye. Thank you very much for listening, and see you in the next video. Bye for now.